Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. In our previous guide, we got to install and configure Iscsi target in Windows Server 2019. As you know, the target will be useless unless initiators take advantage of them. We are thus going to configure an initiator to connect to the ready target. First of all, log into the server as an administrator. Please refer to how to connect VPS via RDP at the link we put on the screen for more details. Now, open Server Manager. Click on Tools and choose Iscsi Initiator. A small pop-up window will come up. Click on Yes to the Iscsi service run by default and proceed to the Iscsi Initiator Properties wizard that results. Iscsi Initiator Properties window opens up. Key in the IP address of the Iscsi target server and click on Quick Connect. Once you clicked on Quick Connect, your target, though inactive, should be discovered. Click on Done. Click on the discovered target and click on Connect. Click Advanced to set advanced settings. On the Advanced Settings window, you have 4 options you can use for authentications as can be seen on the window. We are going to use CHAP in this guide. Check the CHAP box, then input your username and password that we set in the target earlier, then press Enter key. Click on OK. After you hit Enter, the familiar Connect to Target pop-up results. Just click on OK. After the previous step, the status should change to Connected. Next, open the Disk Manager to confirm and configure the new connected device if it exists. Once disk management is up, you will notice that the added device is offline and in unknown states. To change this, right-click where you see the label of the disk and choose Online option. The previous step makes the disk come online but still remains in an uninitialized state. To initialize, right-click on it as before and new items will appear. Select the first option, that is Initialize Disk. Then, right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. That should bring up a new Simple Volume wizard. Then select Next until the end. The disk is finally online and healthy with a disk letter as the following. Confirm the disk is available from the File Manager. So, we have successfully managed to connect our Iscsi Initiator to the Iscsi target. Now, we are going to use Iscsi Initiator and connect to our target server. That's all we guide you in this video.